Johannes, where are we going today?
The beach.
Yay! Hey guys, just like Johannes just announced, we are going to the beach today, and therefore this is a day off. It's a Monday, it's a holiday in Denmark, and go to the beach with us vlog. Are you ready, Babs? What are you bringing? Hello. Alright guys, this is the outfit for today. I'm gonna put that on in a second. I am about 2 minutes away from being ready. I just need to get dressed, but I've already done like my skincare and all that stuff. Now, sunscreen. Do yourselves a favor and put that on, even on not sunny days. I'm super careful these days with my skin, and I probably should have been when I was in my 20s as well, but starting early 30s is still better than nothing. Normally don't drink coffee, but decided to get an iced coffee yesterday, and I'm definitely doing that again today. Sunscreen is also on the body, but for extra protection I want to go cap, and like, yeah, I just don't want any sun, or as little sun as possible, on my face. So let's make that happen. All right. Also decided to go like really full beach vibes today. I've put pearls on. We're going pearls for earrings, and also found like my bracelets that I got a while back, pearls as well. So I was at Pico the other day, and if you haven't noticed already, with like lobster embroidery and lobster dresses, which was last week's video, I feel like I'm just obsessed with everything ocean. I'm a swimmer, so being able, like, I don't know, the whole water vibes are just really speaking to me at the moment. But I was at Pico the other day, and I picked up this cuff as well. It's like a little starfish. And then I also picked up this scrunchie, which was beautiful, and this necklace. It's like a little shell as well. Apart from that, I also got big clip, but also got 2 other new clamps. Hey buddy, you ready to go? And lastly, another chunky headband. Anyway, I am gonna get my final jewelry on, and then we are heading out. Okay, people, we are almost at the beach. We need to make it like this little section right here, and then we're going like out that way. But we are at the beach now. We're what's called Amager Strandpark in Danish. I have to pee so bad, so the first stop is just getting that sorted, and then we're gonna be at our final destination. And I think the little one also wants some ice cream. We're back home, guys. We made it. Sorry, I was just laughing at my husband who was showing his sunburn. Anyway, we are back home. Johannes is sleeping in the stroller. I want to say we had a great day at the beach, but we had about a 1.5 hour at the beach. So made it back home. It's almost 2 o'clock. Now we are just gonna chill, and then we're gonna have taco bowls for dinner. So I'm not gonna bore you with that, but I'll see you again next Monday. Bye.